Today, a new update from hurricane forecasters, both at NOAA and Colorado State. They've updated their numbers and revised them down a little bit. Still looking at an above average year, but another 15 storms in addition to the 3 that we had, so we could come up with 18. So that's the latest prediction from Colorado State, forecasting at least 8 hurricanes this year, 4 being major. In addition to that, NOAA, another agency, gives us a range of 14 to 20. They've revised their number of hurricanes down 1. So still looking at the potential for an active season because of La Nina. The cold water here in the Pacific is still expected to reduce shear, which could allow for storms to develop in the central main development area of the Atlantic Ocean. And this is where water has actually warmed up over the past 4 weeks. So there's still expected to be an actual increase in storms here as we head into September 11th. That's the peak of the hurricane season. And 90% of all the hurricanes happen from August through October. And so as we head through these next months, they're going to be watching this cool pool of water to see if it mixes south. And they think that perhaps it could. And that's why they've adjusted those numbers down just a little bit. But right here in our own backyard, we've got some very warm water, and that could lead to some quick forming storms just off the East Coast. And here you can see once we get into August, those hurricanes really do ramp up through October. November 30th is the last day of the hurricane season, but storms are very rare during November. On average, you might get 1 hurricane every 2 years. But when we look back to last year, through early July, there were 6 storms. So it was a slow start to the hurricane season. Then there was a lull through the middle portions of the season. Like there were 31 days where there was nothing. And then after August, there were about 2.5 storms every week, and that led to the 3rd most active season. So it was a late start to storms with that lull last year. Hopefully it's a late start for the entire season, but we'll see over the next couple months.